Hello, good evening class. Today we are going to take up the lesson number 1, the nutrition in plants, and in this we are going to take up the second section. The second section is about the heterotrophic plant. So this is the summarized page of what we have learned. The heterotrophic plants, the center is the definition. They depend on other plants for food. Then the parasitic plants, because they are depending on other plants for food completely, where the host plant dies after some time or shows the stunted growth, slow growth, and the parasitic plant will grow rapidly. Then comes the saprophytic plants. These plants you have seen on your bread also, bread mold, the mushrooms. They feed on, they take nutrition from dead and decaying organic matter. When we say organic matter, it can be the plant or that can be the animal also. Mostly they are non-green. See, you can see the mushrooms, they are white colored. Same is the coral roots, the Indian pipes, these all are the saprophytes. The fungus that grows on the bread is also a saprophytic plant. The other plant that belongs to this heterotrophic category is the insectivorous plants, where the examples you can see, lot more examples are there, but we have taken 3: sundew, pitcher plant and Venus flytrap. In such plants, the organism is totally dependent on insects for food. So their leaves are structured this way that they are going to trap the insects and thereby draws out the nitrogen from their body. So first one, sundew, drops like are there in the corners. Pitcher plant, because the leaves are modified to form a pitcher, where the insect gets trapped and slips down the base. Then is the Venus flytrap. The red color attracts the insect, and then comes the trapping part. Now this is a very different relationship, where both the plants which are together, they are mutually benefiting each other. The first one you might have seen on the barks of the trees, the lichen. It is a relationship between algae and the fungus, and this together will make the symbiotic relationship, symbiont. And this second example is very common. You might have seen in the pea plants, the groundnuts, the leguminous plants, where the root nodules have the rhizobium bacteria. So these are the symbionts. Here both organisms are benefited. So this is the summary of all the insectivorous plants. Hope you have understood this topic. Now my question to you is that, can you just tell me the parasite which is green? That means it is able to do the photosynthesis, but partially it is parasitic. Please write your answer in the chat box and we'll discuss.